Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be explaining Tilton's clutch master cylinder and do I actually need to upgrade it for my Toyota Supra build. Let's get started, shall we? Tilton did in fact design this master cylinder with racing clutches in mind. The kit I have here is a 75 series kit that comes with a 3/4 inch bore size that's recommended for single disc clutches without a heavy pressure plate, but they also came out with a 7/10 inch version that's recommended for triple disc clutches with a heavy pressure plate. And you see, this kit is completely bolt-on. It does not require any fabrication to be installed and can be removed and returned back to OEM at any time. Now let me show you what this kit comes with. Here we have a 4-ounce reservoir, a firewall adapter made of aluminum billet, clamps and hardware needed for installation, a clutch fork retrofit with an OEM style attachment, a Tilton master cylinder, and a 6.8 reservoir. Now we come to the great question, do I actually need to upgrade this for my Toyota Supra build? And well, the answer is no, I do not. Maybe you thought I was going to say how I envision a better pedal feel in between the shift exchange through my clutch, which is exactly what I would get installing this onto my Supra. But even the OEM version is still suitable for racing applications, it just has a smaller bore size. Do I actually want to install this on my Supra? Yes, I very much do. Now, since we are at the end of my video, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more of my content. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for the next episode.